Have you ever given someone kudos on LinkedIn? If you haven't, I'm going to do it for the first time, and we're going to I'm going to walk you through how to do it. So let's get started. Let me share my screen. And I'm going to give kudos to my friend, Ginny Cheng. So let me pull her up. Right. So if you want to give kudos to someone, you go to their profile and then you click on more, and you see in the drop down menu it says give kudos. So I click on that, and then so it creates these, or it gives you these images to choose from. You can thank Ginny, you can say going above and beyond. So it gives you images and text. Inspirational leader, team player, great job, making work fun, amazing mentor, outside the box thinker, great presentation, making an impact. So it could populate your post with one of these images or this text, and you can share it as a post. So by default, when you select give kudos, by default, it asks you to share it in a post, but you could also click on the drop-down box and you could send it in a message, right? And you still have the same images, but I'm going to do share in a post. So let me start share in a post. I go to next, and then it's already populated my post with text, with a recommended text, I would say. But I'm going to use my own text, and I'm also going to use my own image. So let me start with the text. I already wrote the text that I'm going to be using. So let me copy and paste it. So when the mail makes your day, Ginny, I've known Ginny for a while on LinkedIn. I believe we connected on LinkedIn, and then she's spoken at many of my events. She sponsored my events. She has provided venues for my events in San Francisco. And today I thought, she sent me this thank you gift. And so I wanted to give her kudos. I wanted to test out the feature. I wanted to show you how to use the feature. And so I wrote this little post for her. So I'm going to start by tagging her. So you can tag people in this kudos post. I'll always tag people when you're mentioning them, when you're acknowledging them. And then I'm also going to tag one of my organizations that Ginny has helped, the Expat Woman. Right. And then I have the hashtags ready already, and I'm not going to use this image. So let me get out of this image. So I just click the little X on the right hand corner, and I'm going to upload a couple of images from my desktop. I'm going to use 3 images showing Ginny at my events, and also an image of her gift that she sent me. Let's see. So it has allowed me to use all 3 images. And then it says click anywhere to tag. So let's see if I can tag Ginny. There it is. So I'm tagging her in that image. And then I can add all text. I will do that later because I don't want to, I wanted to show you how to do it for now. So when you use give kudos, you can add your own image, you can write your own content. And then after you post it, you can always go back and edit. But maybe I'll just write the add text. I'll say image. I'm not sure. I've never gone back and edited the alternative text on an image. So let me do it now. And it's also one more thing for you to learn. Basically, the alt text is when people are looking at a post and they are visually impaired. They can't see the photograph, so they use a screen reader, and the screen reader will describe the images that you have uploaded. So I'll say image of Ginny on a women leadership panel hosted by Nyna, Caputi, and the Expat Woman. Right, and then you do save, and then another one. I'm going to tag Ginny again in this. If it lets me tag. I guess it's not letting me tag, and then I'll say Ginny, image of Jimmy And you can be as descriptive as you want. You could, I could say Ginny wearing a blue dress, facing women, looking at a resume, but I'm just going to say image of Ginny at a career fair hosted by Nyna and the expat woman, which is my organization, okay? Saving that, and I know there was one more, and that's the gift she sent me, image of candle and thank you note that Ginny sent Nyna. Okay, I'm saving that to done. And so my post is now ready to go. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and post it. And it's taking a little while to post it, but this is how you can give kudos. I'll maybe do another video in the future on how you can give kudos through sending a message. So thank you so much for watching this. If you like this video, definitely like and comment in the comments below. Bye.